If a function contains a square root of a variable, then it is a square root function. Here we have an example of a square root function. F of x is equal to square root x. Here we have a graph of what a square root function might look like. Remember that if we're taking the square root of x, x must be a positive value. That is to say, y can only be positive values. So we can't have any negative values of y. We can only have the top half of this parabola. Let's try to graph the square root function y is equal to the square root of 2x plus 1. We can do this using our table of values. We'll pick values of x and plug them into the equation to find our values of y. For example, we start with negative 1/2. That gives us the square root of 2 times negative 1/2 plus 1 is equal to 0. We do this for all the numbers until we found all of our x and y values. Now that we have those, we can plot our x and y coordinates on the graph. As you can see here, we have a square root function that goes over positive y values but not negative y values.